You're listening to an AppleViz podcast.
Okay, folks, so in this lesson, we are now going to get into very basic formulas. And formulas are very easy yet powerful methods of analyzing and playing around with our data. So today I'm going to use probably one of the most used function, which is the sum function. So it is a way of totaling all the values in a set of cells. So what we're going to do is, again, jump back into our table.
Food, row header cell, water, row header cell, transportation, row header cell, internet, row header cell, row header cell.
Okay, so
A6.
we have all of our headings in the category headings in column A.
Internet, row header cell,
And I'm going to add one
A6.
more row here called total.
Caps lock on. Insert cap at row headers total. Row header cell.
Okay.
A January empty cell.
January
Actions
empty cell.
available.
Now I want to total up all of the data in the January column.
Internet 20. Transportation 300. Water 50. Food 100. January. Food water internet total empty cell.
Okay, so the total is right now empty. I'm going to go into cell B6, which is at the bottom of the column containing the January data right now.
Enter total
I'm going to hit Option plus Enter
empty.
to
Word.
start editing
Actions
the cell.
available.
I'm going to press the equal sign,
Formula editor. Edit text.
and you
You
hear
are
it
currently on
said
it.
Formula Editor. That means we're now creating a formula. I'm going to type SU because the formula we want to enter is called the sum, SUM. I'm just going to type SU.
Cap S. Cap U. Substitute. SU.
Now, once you type the letters SU, what we can't see, but what is there on the screen is now a quick formula selector, which means any formulas that start with the function SU are now available for us to select from. I'm going to press the right arrow key.
Subtotal. Sum. Sumif. Sumifs. Sum product. Sums. Sums 2 my 2. Sums 2 pi 2.
So here are all various formulas that we can enter. I'm going to go back to sum.
Sum SU. Sum product. Sumifs. Sumif. Sum. Subtotal. Sum.
Sum. I'm going to hit enter.
Value. Argument placeholder.
Value argument placeholder. That means we have to enter in the first value where we want to start the sum function from. I'm going to type B2.
Cap N. Unselected. Cap B. 2.
B2 because that's the first
B2.
row that we want to start adding all the values from. I'm going to hit the colon key twice,
Colon.
and I'm going to type in B5,
Cap B. 5.
and I'm going to now type
B5.
the right parenthesis to close the formula.
Right paren. Closing function sum.
And I'm going to hit enter.
Table 1. Caption. M. January 470. Formula result. Column A total. Row header
Total.
cell. January 470.
470. So now you can see it has totaled up all of the data in the January column. So let's just recap what we did. We went into the cell where we wanted to insert the formula. We typed the equal key, and then we've typed a few letters in the formula that we wanted to enter, in this case sum. So I typed SU, and then I used the left and right arrow keys to explore and find the formula which I wanted to enter. Once I found it, I hit enter, and then after that it said value argument placeholder, which means it had automatically inserted the format for the formula. I typed B2 because that's where I first wanted to start the calculation of all the totals. I hit the colon key twice, and then I typed B5, and then I hit the right parenthesis key, and then I hit enter. So B2 colon B5 is how we say that we want to sum up all of the values from cell B2 to cell B5. If you have a longer range of data, you can do cell B2 to B100 or B2 to B1000, whatever you want. But it's a very quick and easy way for you to quickly add all of the values in a column. So that is an easy way for you to insert formulas. Let's see how to edit a formula in case we want to. So I'm going to
Internet total 407.
back into the total. I'm going to hit Option plus Enter to start editing.
Formula editor, edit text, insertion at end of text, sum, function, B2B5, range, right paren, closing function sum.
So there you
currently
you
on a
heard
text variable.
that we're in the formula
Numbers.
editor.
Sum, function, insertion, line separator. Line separator. Table January total 4 row 8 empty row total 470. Formula edit right paren.
So now we're in the formula editor. After hitting Option plus Enter, we can now again use the left and right arrow keys to simply explore what is in the formula in case you want to make any changes.
Right paren. Close B2B5 range. Sum function. B2B5 range. In edit text right paren. Closing function right paren. B2B5 range. Table 1. Catch January row 7 empty cell. Total 470.
So here you can see that we've just explored the formula. In case we want to fix any errors that might be there, we can use Option plus Enter to enter into the edit cursor in a specific cell. Use the left and right arrow keys to explore all the various aspects of the formula, and then just make any edits that we want to the formula, and then hit Command plus Enter to close out the editing. So that's a quick, simple guide to how to use formulas on numbers.
This podcast was brought to you by the community at applevis.com. Applevis, empowering people who are blind, deafblind, or who have low vision to get the most from Apple products and related technologies. A proud member of the Be My Eyes family. For more information, visit our website at www.applevis.com.